There's been a huge update in Luigi Mangione's murder case. Mangione, who's accused of fatally shooting UnitedHealthCare CEO Brian Thompson last December, was back in court where a judge officially dismissed the terrorism charges against him. However, the second-degree murder charge still stands. Why were these terrorism charges dropped? According to Judge Gregory Caro, even though Mangione clearly had strong feelings against UHC and the healthcare industry in general, that alone doesn't meet New York's legal definition of terrorism. Caro explained that for something to qualify as terrorism, there has to be a clear intent to intimidate or coerce the public or influence government policy. And there just wasn't enough evidence that Mangione had that goal. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office acknowledged the ruling, saying, quote, "We respect the court's decision and will proceed on the remaining 9 counts." Mangione has pleaded not guilty to all charges, including state and federal murder counts, and he's currently being held in a federal jail in Brooklyn awaiting trial. His legal team pushed back hard today, arguing that being prosecuted by both the state and federal governments amount to double jeopardy. But Judge Caro rejected that for now, calling it too early to make that call. Prosecutors, meanwhile, argue that the state and federal cases are based on different legal theories, so there's no conflict. But Mangione's lawyers, they say otherwise. They're calling this whole situation a legal quagmire, saying it's both legally and logistically impossible to defend against two totally different narratives at once. Back in April, Attorney General Pam Bondi directed federal prosecutors to pursue the death penalty, a direct nod to the president's campaign promise to go hard on capital punishment. So while the terrorism charges are off the table for now, this case is far from over, and we'll see him back in court on December 1st.